Nobody told you that one of the easiest recurring income service businesses can start with just a few cleaning tools and a pickup truck. Pool cleaning might not sound glamorous, but thousands of homeowners, hotels, and apartment complexes need their pools cleaned every single week. That means steady demand and predictable monthly income for anyone who runs this service professionally. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a pool cleaning business from scratch, the tools and equipment you actually need, how to find your first customers, and how much you can realistically earn servicing pools every week. Stay until the end because I'll also share real growth strategies that help small pool service operators turn one truck into a multi-route business. Pool cleaning businesses provide weekly or monthly maintenance services for residential pools, hotels, apartment complexes, and community swimming pools. Services typically include removing debris, brushing pool walls, vacuuming the floor, balancing chemicals, and checking filtration systems. In warm regions where pools are used year-round, many homeowners prefer hiring professionals instead of maintaining pools themselves. This creates consistent recurring demand because pools require regular maintenance to prevent algae growth and water contamination. Many small pool service businesses operate with only one technician and a vehicle, but can manage dozens of recurring customers. Starting a pool cleaning business is relatively simple compared to many other service industries. First, register your business and obtain any local permits required for chemical handling or service operations. A small business can begin with a pickup truck or service van equipped with cleaning tools and chemical storage. You should also take a short training course on pool maintenance and water chemistry to ensure proper service quality. Create simple service packages such as weekly cleaning, monthly maintenance, or one-time deep cleaning services. Building relationships with pool builders, real estate agents, and property managers can help generate steady referrals from new pool owners. Pool cleaning requires specialized tools, but the overall equipment cost is relatively low. Essential tools include telescopic poles, pool skimmers, vacuum heads, hoses, and brushes. A professional starter kit typically costs between $500 and $1,500. A portable pool vacuum system may cost around $500 to $1,200 depending on quality. Water testing kits and chemical balancing tools cost about $100 to $300. Cleaning chemicals like chlorine, stabilizers, and algicides require an initial investment of around $200 to $500. A used pickup truck or service van for transporting equipment can cost between $10,000 and $25,000 if you don't already own a vehicle. Overall, many pool cleaning businesses can start with $2,000 to $10,000 in equipment depending on vehicle costs. Startup costs for a small pool cleaning business typically range from $3,000 to $15,000, depending on equipment and vehicle purchase. Pool cleaning services usually charge between $80 and $150 per visit for residential pools, depending on location and service complexity. Weekly service plans are common, meaning a single customer might generate $300 to $600 per month in recurring revenue. A technician servicing 60 to 80 pools per month can generate $6,000 to $12,000 in monthly revenue. Because operating expenses are relatively low, many businesses achieve profit margins of 40% or more once a steady client base is established. Many operators recover their startup investment within the first few months. Some regions require chemical handling permits or pool maintenance certifications, so check local regulations before launching your service. Professional branding also plays an important role in building trust with homeowners. Create a clean business name, logo, and simple website explaining your services and pricing. Use branded uniforms and vehicle decals so customers recognize your business easily when visiting properties. Providing professional service reports and clear communication with customers can significantly increase retention and referrals. Local marketing is extremely effective for pool cleaning businesses. Start by creating a Google business profile so homeowners searching for pool services can find you easily. Door-to-door marketing in neighborhoods with many pools can also work well, especially when offering first-time discounts. Partner with pool construction companies and maintenance suppliers who frequently interact with new pool owners. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram are useful for showcasing before and after cleaning results. Customer referrals can quickly grow your business, so offering referral discounts can help attract new clients. A great example in the pool service industry is PoolWorks, a company that started as a small pool maintenance business and eventually grew into a large international pool service brand. By focusing on reliable service, customer education, and expanding into equipment sales and maintenance programs, the company scaled into hundreds of service locations worldwide. This shows how a simple local pool cleaning service can grow into a major service business over time. Once your pool cleaning business has consistent clients, expansion opportunities increase significantly. You can hire additional technicians and add more service vehicles to cover larger areas. Many companies also offer additional services such as pool equipment repair, filter replacement, leak detection, and pool renovation services. Some businesses expand into pool chemical supply sales or maintenance contracts for commercial properties such as hotels and apartment complexes. Using route optimization software can also improve efficiency by reducing travel time between service locations. That's your complete roadmap to starting a pool cleaning business in 2026. With low startup costs, recurring monthly customers, and strong demand in many regions, this is one of the easiest service businesses to launch and scale. Start small, focus on reliable service, build strong relationships with customers, and expand step by step. If you're planning to start a pool cleaning business, comment below with your city and business idea. And if you want help choosing equipment, pricing services, or building your client base, check the resources linked below.